China launched its third aircraft carrier on Friday, the domestically designed and built Fujian, state media reported, sending a statement of intent towards rival powers including the United States as it continues to modernize its military. The aircraft carrier features a full-length flight deck with a catapult launch system, according to state media. The Fujian will join the Shandong, commissioned in late 2019, and the Lining, which China bought second-hand from Ukraine in 1998 and refitted domestically. Only the United States, which has 11 aircraft carriers, has more of such vessels. Ranked just below China, Britain has 2 in operation. The Fujian's launch demonstrates the Chinese military's increasing capability at a time of rising tension with the United States over Taiwan and Beijing's claims to the South China Sea.